She's a Mona Lisa.
Hola, it's Katrina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So since I turned 21 last March, I wanted to experiment, make myself look more mature. So I tried doing this bronzy look on me. And perfect timing lang na dumating yung mga order ko from Lazada na lip base galing kay Sunnies. So I was able to tie up the look. And I think bagay naman yung lip piece sa ginawa kong bronzy look since brown shade yung ginamit ko sa lips ko. So if you are interested on how I got this look and the things that I got from Lazada, then keep on watching.
Okay, first things first, you have to moisturize the face for that extra layer before putting on makeup. And the lips as well. That's very important. If you've watched my first video here in YouTube, this product may be familiar to you. I use this to color correct my discoloration and it does the job of instantly brightening my face. Since I don't have a foundation with me, I found this BB cream in my drawer. I just dot that all over my face, and since it is a BB cream, I use my fingers to blend it in. In that way, I get to use more out of the product rather than using a blender or a brush wherein it absorbs the makeup, if that makes sense. But don't get me wrong, you can use anything that you want. I have nothing against that. Then don't forget to apply that to your neck as well. Then concealer to brighten up my dark circles and lift some areas. At this time, don't worry if your face and the rest of your body doesn't match. We will fix that later. Now, always remember to set the areas where you put concealer on to avoid creases. To bring back the color to my face, this is where the bronzer comes in. Of course, you have to apply bronzer to your cheekbones, and when it comes to the jawline, try to apply the product slightly before the actual jawline to give you that illusion of a smaller face. And make sure to blend that slightly to your neck as well. Don't forget to snatch that nose because if you have nose like mine, you'll need that. But try not to put too much product or else you'll sneeze, just like I did. Now moving on with the brows, I brush my brows with the spoolie first and use the tinted brow gel from the Blythe Eyebrow Collection just to fill in those tiny gaps on my eyebrows and lighten the color of my brow hair. Honestly, what I like about the product is how thin the wand is. In that way, I won't be able to put too much tint in my brows and it helps me to distribute the product easier. Then I'll be brushing that with a spoolie to remove the excess product. For the eyes, I'll be using bronzers as eyeshadows mainly because I don't own or use actual eyeshadow palettes. Since at work I use bronzers or blush for my eyes, I don't put too much effort on the eyes except for my lashes and sometimes eyeliner if I feel like it. But that's for work, okay? That's for work. So in here, I took a darker shade of brown to intensify the outer corners for a slightly smoky look. I even applied them to my lower lash line for that extra dimension in the eyes. Then here comes the tricky part. Don't come for me, but I tried my best to make it look even, and it so happened that my eyeliner was somewhat dry already, so I tried, okay, I tried. For lashes, it's pretty self-explanatory, so you just curl it and apply the mascara. I just intensify it more since I don't have falsies with me. I forgot to put on some blush a while back, so I'm just putting on some blush just to give life and color to our canvas. And highlight to make it look more elegant and dramatic. Also, I'll be putting some on my chin, collarbones, and shoulders.
So for the lips, I'll be using one of the lipsticks that I bought from Lazada. And all the lipsticks that I got here are from the brand Sunnies. So, to be honest, second time ko nang film tong video na to. So, di na ako magugulat kung anong magiging outcome niya sa lips ko pag ginamit ko na siya. But I'm going to be swatching the items that I got. So, these are all the lippies that I got from them. To be honest, hindi naman ako bibili ng ganitong kadaming lippies kung hindi siya naka-sale. So, nung binili ko to, they had their 30% off on all items. So, bumili na ako. And since malapit na nga yung Mother's Day, actually, bukas na yung Mother's Day, binilhan ko na din si Mama ng lippies. Yung mga shades dito, parehas kami ni Mama. 7 of the Fluff Mattes, 2 in the shade Brunette, 2 in the shade On Repeat, 2 in the shade Baked, and 1 in the shade Major. To be honest, dapat nga mas marami yung nandito na shades. Fortunately, sold out na yung mga ibang shade that time. So, ito lang yung mga nakuha ko. Then, I got two shades from their lip tips. I got the shade So Good and Terracotta. Bumili ako ng madaming lipsticks kasi I just wanted to reward myself. Kasi sa sobrang tipid ko at sa sobrang gusto ko makaipon ng pera, minsan hindi ko na, most of the time, pinipigilan ko na lang yung sarili ko na mag-shopping. Alam mo ba yun? And I just wanted to try yung mga ibang shades ng Sunnies. Since yung natatry ko pa lang is yung Girl Crush, Milkshake, tsaka yung So Good na lip tip. Yun pa yung natatry kong lipsticks nila. So, I'm very, very excited to play with this kasi most of the shades here are very new to me. Before, I wasn't into shades na very dark. Alam mo yun, yung parang magmumukha kang mature. Pero since, ayun na nga, tumatanda na po tayo. Wait lang, init. I bought shades na mas mature looking. If that makes sense. Without further ado, I will be swatching the shades that I got here. And my lips as well, kung bagay ba talaga siya sa akin. Kaya, second time ko na itong i-film, pero let's go. So, let's go with the Fluff Mattes first. For this look, I ended up using the brunette shade from the Fluff Matte. I like how it looks on me, especially for the makeup that I did. It made me look more mature and I don't know, it just tied the whole look together. Redundant, no? So that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the look that I had created. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell right beside it to be notified whenever I upload a new video. See you in my next one. Bye!